From the dashboard, you will see a map overview of your fleet. Tap on an asset or group to zoom in. On the right, you have quick access to the odometer, battery, fuel level, and current speed. Get a more detailed view by tapping on Asset Details. You will have quick access to the last week of data for the selected asset. Stay up to date by creating monitors for speeding, excessive idling, entering or leaving a location, or low battery voltage. Choose to receive these via email or text message. Get the complete view of your fleet with our online and downloadable reports. You have the ability to set the time frame for which you'd like to view. Users have found this helpful for IFTA tax reporting. Momentum. Simple, easy, and cost-effective telematics for field services.